How to download uTorrent on PC or laptop. First, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Open Chrome and type uTorrent in Google, then open the official uTorrent website. Click on the free download option, select the free plan, and press the Download Now button. Wait for the file to download and choose the location where you want to save it. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After installation, open uTorrent. And that's it.